but the meek will inherit the land and enjoy peace and prosperity. Psalm chapter 37, verses 11. Hello, beautiful family. You're very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Happy Sunday. And join me as I make one of my favorite soups to ever enjoy, especially on weekends. And yes, this is Ghanaian Ebunuebunu or green soup. It is loaded with lots of goodness. Please stay tuned. It is just such a delicious soup that I do not want you to miss. So stay tuned and let's make this together. All right, let's get started. So as always, the list of ingredients will be listed down in the description box, so please kindly check it out. Today I'm using more of smoked fish and a bit of crabs. I have a bit of peanut butter. I do have my spinach, and you can also use taro leaf or contobre if you're in Ghana, and all the vegetables to make the soup extra delicious. It will be listed below in the description box. So to begin with, I like to rinse my meat or proteins very nicely. Even though I smoke this at home, it is always advisable to wash it. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to transfer it in my pot, and I'm going to just season this with a bit of salt, some chopped yellow onions, some salt, and the almighty dawa dawa or fermented lucost bean. You can also use some momone, that is the salted cured fish in Ghana, and that is it. Add about 1 cup of water, cover it, and just allow this to steam for about 10 minutes. While waiting, I'll go ahead and wash my spinach very well. Yes, these are spinach. They are known as flamingo spinach. It just kind of reminds me of what I'm used to back home. And yeah, we all know contemporary leaf. They come in large sizes, more than this, but you can get this if you search a little bit further. They're called flamingo spinach. The ones that we're used to is the cover, that is the smaller ones. But yes, this is also good and high, super high in antioxidants, and it's so good for your health. So I'm going to wash it and transfer it in my cooking pot, and to that I'll add 2 medium-sized yellow onions, a bit of kowun suswa, which is another type of turkey berries. Is very nice and bitter, very healthy. And I'll also add 2 large tomatoes and 1 habanero pepper. Add a little bit of water, and I'm going to also go ahead and cook it on the side. Okay, so now let's check on our proteins and let's see how it is doing. It's just steaming very well, and the aroma of that lucost bean is just giving home. It's giving home sweet home. So I'm going to now add my pinch of peanut butter, because it always tastes good with a little touch of peanut butter in here. You can definitely use it without, but having a little bit of peanut butter in here just take the soup to a whole different level. So I'm just going to add a bit of water, mash it very well, and then pour it over my proteins in this pot and just stir it around. And to that, I'm going to add my uncooked crabs. This really takes few minutes for it to cook, so I'm going to add it here at this right point in time, and I'm just going to cover it, add a little bit of hot water, cover it, and allow it to steam for just about 5 minutes. So all my vegetables that I was boiling are nice and soft and ready to be blended. So I'm going to get it out, and the liquids that I boiled these vegetables are very important. So I'm not going to discard it. I'm going to add it right here. It's best to get your sieve ready and just strain it and add it right here. It contains lots of vitamins that I think you should not throw away at all. All right, so once I'm done, I'll just cover it again and go ahead and blend the vegetables. I'll begin by blending my tomatoes, peppers, and onions, and then I'll go ahead and pour it back to the base of the soup. Allow it to cook on its own for about 5 minutes, after which I'm going to blend my spinach. This soup is really very easy. You do not have to go through too much at all. You can even decide to blend all those vegetables together with the spinach, but I just want everything to be, step by step. I don't want to overcook the spinach, because once you overcook it, it just loses that vitamins that you need in your system. So yes, that is why I decided to do it this way. So yes, I'm going to allow this to cook for another 5 minutes and then blend everything until it's nice and smooth. And I will add the very last ingredients from the side of the vegetables, and we will be so done. It is just so good. I just love the green rich color that this spinach offers this soup. It is just so good. I want you to follow the step-by-step recipe, and you're going to love it. Did you just notice the transformation of this soup? The green effect is just magical. I absolutely love my green soup. So it's now time for me to stir it gently together, and I want it to just do a thing. I'm allowing it to boil for the next 10 minutes or so. All right, so here I have my last but one ingredient that I'll be adding in my soup, which is my homemade smoked fish. This fish is just so delicious. I have actually shared the recipe of it together with my adrene. Yeah, this is a barracuda fish. It is just so tender and so nice in soups and stews. So please go ahead and watch it if you've not done it yet. It is very easy to make. I have shared it right here. I'm going to link it here for you to watch. All right, this barracuda fish went in, and I just went ahead to divide it into two, get rid of the little bones in there, and I'm going to now wash it to get rid of all the unwanted materials, and I'm now going to add it back to my soup, and that is it. Voila, it's so good. The aroma in here is just so amazing. I absolutely recommend this soup. It is so good, very healthy, and it's just good for digestion purposes as well. So I'm just going to allow this to cook on its own for the next 10 minutes. So here I tasted for salt, and I'm adjusting it to my preference, and I also added one habanero pepper for anyone who want extra heat in their mouth. That is pretty much it. It is so delicious. Just have a look at that. It's always good to have a little bit of okra in there, so I'm going to cut this, wash it, and I'm going to put it right in the soup. You can also decide to boil your okra on the side, whichever way that works for you. Just go ahead and enjoy it. It's so amazing. And just look at that. Allow this to boil for about 10 minutes more. Afterwards, you just going to go ahead and lower it and allow everything to simmer for just about 5 minutes, and your soup should be ready. It smells so good. The aroma is just so good. Very homely, very delicious. Now you're going to pair this with some very nice lamb-free and fluffy fufu. We're doing plantain fufu today. I've actually shared the recipe on how to make this very nice and quick. So yes, that's what we're going to pair this with. You can also decide to pair this with your banku. Works any swallow of choice. Okay, so we are done. This is Sunday. Enjoy. Just serve yourself and the rest of your family with this goodness. It is just so amazingly delicious. So there you have it, family. This brings us to the end today. What would you be pairing this soup with? Let me know in the comment section. It goes so well with rice too. I'm a rice lover. rice and soup lover, so anytime I make green soup like this, best believe I'm saving some for rice as well. It goes so well with rice balls as well. Kokonte, your banku. I mean, the list will go on and on and on. It is so good. I really want you to try this soup, and you're going to just enjoy it as much as we did. And once serving, do not forget to just make sure you have enough soup on your fufu. All right. It is so good. Thanks so much for watching, family. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family if you did enjoy this recipe. All right. And if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I'm gonna see you next in my next recipe. Do not go anywhere. All right, stay tuned, stay blessed, have an amazing new week. Bye.